Have you ever noticed how those huge channels always seem to pump out perfect, scroll-stopping short clips every single day without fail? It's not magic. They've just built a smart system that turns long videos into bite-sized wins while they sleep. But if you're starting out, hiring pro editors is expensive, and doing it yourself feels like a never-ending cycle of burnout. You sit there in your editing software, chopping timestamps, hunting for reactions, and tweaking text for hours on end. By the time you finally export and upload, the original idea is already old news and you've lost all that momentum. That frustration is exactly why I wanted to show you a powerful solution that uses artificial intelligence to turn your long videos into viral-ready clips in just minutes. It's not about replacing your creativity, but rather removing the boring, repetitive parts so you can focus on the big picture. Imagine uploading a long 90-minute podcast or a tutorial and having dozens of polished clips ready to post instantly. It sounds almost too good to be true, but it's actually the new reality for creators who want to scale their content. Let's look at the first workflow, the auto-edit flow, where you just drop in a video and let the system identify the viral gems for you. The second approach is more hands-on, allowing you to use specific templates to recreate a popular style that already works well for others. Both workflows are incredibly fast, and most importantly, both keep your branding consistent across every single post. With the auto-edit flow, the software scans for key moments like laughs, spikes in engagement, or loud reactions. It then automatically generates a batch of clip suggestions that are already perfectly trimmed and formatted for vertical viewing. You can forget about manual scrubbing or guessing which timestamps matter, because the AI finds the high-energy bits for you. For example, if you're reviewing a camera in a long video, it finds that exact moment you show off the lens performance. It crops it for vertical formats and even adds an optimized caption area, so you don't have to worry about layout. If you filmed a sports breakdown, it pulls out the top plays or that insane winning moment and turns it into a catchy short. The second workflow, the template approach, is great when you want to match a visual style that you know performs well. You can use a reference clip to clone the pacing and text placement, but apply it to your own unique content. This is a super fast way to test proven concepts without feeling like you are reinventing the wheel every single time. Another huge benefit is that you can set up a creator profile with your specific fonts and colors for consistent branding. This makes your channel feel cohesive, so people start recognizing your style in their feed, which boosts your click-through rates. Now, let's talk about fixing mistakes, because we all know AI isn't always flawless on the first try. If a clip doesn't quite land, you can easily tweak the start and end points, or ask it to generate another variation. This iterative loop is so much faster than restarting an edit from scratch when you're doing it all manually. Think about the cost savings compared to hiring a designer. You're saving hundreds of dollars for every single video. The best part is the auto-scheduling feature, which lets you queue your clips to post throughout the week automatically. You won't have to babysit uploads or remember to post at 3 in the morning. The software handles it all for you. It's really the difference between spamming uploads in a frantic scramble and running a smooth, consistent content machine. I once ran a 60-minute interview through this, and within 5 minutes, I had 18 short clips ready to go. I scheduled them out over 2 weeks, and the engagement from those teasers drove massive traffic back to the full episode. My big tip is to be clear with your goals. So if you want reaction clips, look for high emotion moments in your video. Remember that short-form content thrives on one clear idea per clip, so don't try to overload them with too many details. Ultimately, this tool isn't going to replace your creative vision, but it will definitely handle the grunt work for you. You still make the big decisions, but you spend your time actually creating rather than staring at a timeline for hours. If you want to try it out, check the free trial link in the description, drop in a long video, and see the results for yourself. It's a shortcut that respects your creative control and helps you finally focus on making content rather than grinding through production. If this helped you out, please like the video, subscribe for more creator tools, and I'll see you in the next one.